Are you ready to take charge of your health and make better choices? Well, you're in for a treat, or should I say a wake-up call, because today, we're exposing the absolute worst foods you should steer clear of if you're on a quest for a vibrant, energized, and truly healthy lifestyle. Welcome back to our channel, and let's get started. Processed and fast foods. They are packed with unhealthy fats, sodium, and added sugars, which can lead to weight gain, heart disease, high blood pressure, and other health issues. To give you an idea, let's take a look at a few examples of foods to avoid. Fast food cheeseburgers are loaded with unhealthy fats, sodium, and sugary condiments. Processed deli meats are high in sodium, saturated fats, and preservatives. Even seemingly healthy breakfast cereals often contain hidden added sugars and artificial ingredients. By cutting back on processed and fast foods, you'll take a significant step towards improving your health. Choose whole and processed foods that provide essential nutrients and nourish your body. Sugary beverages. Sugary beverages have a negative impact on our health. They are loaded with high amounts of sugar and empty calories, which can lead to weight gain, increased risk of obesity, and blood sugar imbalances. Excessive sugar consumption from these drinks is also associated with a higher likelihood of developing type 2 diabetes, heart disease, inflammation, and dental problems. Sodas, energy drinks, and sweetened juices are the main culprits. They contain significant amounts of added sugars that provide little nutritional value. These empty calories can replace healthier food choices and disrupt our overall diet. To make healthier choices, opt for water, unsweetened tea, or infused water with natural flavors like fruits or herbs. Trans fats and saturated fats. Trans fats and saturated fats impact our heart health differently. Trans fats are artificially created and found in fried foods, baked goods, and certain margarines. They raise bad cholesterol and lower good cholesterol, increasing the risk of heart disease. On the other hand, saturated fats occur naturally in foods like fatty meats, full-fat dairy, and butter. They can also raise bad cholesterol levels and contribute to heart disease when consumed in excess. To make healthier choices, avoid fried foods and commercially baked goods that often contain trans fats. Cut back on high-fat cheeses, processed meats, and tropical oils to reduce saturated fat intake. Instead, opt for cooking methods like grilling or baking, and incorporate healthier fats like nuts, seeds, avocados, and olive oil. By making these changes, we can support a healthier heart. Refined grains. Refined grains, like white bread and white rice, lack essential nutrients and fiber found in whole grains. They can cause blood sugar spikes and increase the risk of insulin resistance and type 2 diabetes. Choose whole grains like whole wheat and brown rice instead of refined grains. By making these changes, we can support a healthier diet and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Artificial ingredients. Consuming foods with artificial ingredients and preservatives can have potential risks for our health. Artificial ingredients, like synthetic flavors and colors, may lack nutritional value and could cause adverse reactions in some individuals. Preservatives, used to extend shelf life, can pose health concerns when consumed in excess. Certain preservatives have been linked to increased risks of certain cancers. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this information valuable. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more health-related content. And until next time.